welcome to Penglai Airlines. Good afternoon. May I help you?
Yes. Where is my seat?
May I see your boarding pass?
Here you are.
All right. It's 3A. It's a window seat on the right. Here you are.
You know, I have to say, this in-flight meal has been fantastic.
Thank you. Penglai prides itself on its service to its customers.
Excuse me. Is this 3A?
Yes, it is.
Oh, thank you.